Hey everybody, it's Mrs. McGurkin. I wanted to show you guys some tips and tricks on working with your web page for your semester project. So the first thing is, how do you get to your web page? So if you go to your Chrome browser and open up a new tab, you'll see up here at the top an icon that has a 3x3 set of boxes. That's your app launcher. When you click on that, one of the options should be Sites. So click on that, and you should have probably just a couple things here. Obviously, I've worked with a lot more web pages, so I have a lot of things here. But look for the class that you're in and click on that. So I'll click on Biology D block. And what I'm going to do first of all is to create a new page. When I do that, I'm going to click this little plus page icon here, and that's going to bring me to this area where I create a page. If you are working with a partner, you want to create your partner page first. So we'll say that Bob and Bill are working together on their semester project. Before I click create, I want to make sure that I put the page under the home page and then click create. So it'll take a minute to set up the page, and then once it does that, you should see under the home page a new little subpage called Bob and Bill. Okay, it'll automatically set it up so that it's ready for you to start editing, but you guys are going to want to know how to edit first. So Bob and Bill are going to put things like their materials list and procedure and all of their partner stuff on this page, and on their individual pages they're going to put their conclusion, data analysis, and reflections that they have. So what I'm going to do here is show you guys how to create individual pages for Bob and Bill. So Bob's going to get his page first, and I want to make sure this time that I click the button that says put page under Bob and Bill and hit create. So you guys can see that I've now just made Bob's individual page, and you just follow the same instructions to make Bill's page. So I'll hit save. When you go back to the home page, I want you guys to see that there are some things here that you're going to see where, no matter where you are on the website, that are going to be really helpful for your project. You'll see a tab called Project Overview that'll give you the outline and all the due dates for the project itself. If you need assistance creating your procedure, making variables, you can click on these tabs. The other thing that's important to realize is I have the content and website rubrics here that you guys are going to be graded with. So make sure that you take some time throughout the semester to look at these so you know how you're going to be graded. The other thing that's important to realize when you guys are working with sites, when you do editing, like we'll click back here on Bob and Bill, if they want to edit their group page to put in their 15 facts, they're going to come up here to the pencil icon and click on it. And that'll give them lots of cool options that they can put in. Now they have a text box in which they can type. They can also look at different layouts up here. They can look at if they want to make a layout with different columns or sidebars. They can also come over here to insert, put in images. When they have their data, they can put it in chart form. You can also put in links to maybe YouTube videos. If you guys make videos of your data, you can do that as well. So there's lots of cool features that you guys can do. But the thing I want to stress when you guys are doing your web page is that you always have to hit save. It's very different than other Google things that you work with that save automatically. Web pages do not, so make sure that you guys always hit save. If you guys have any other questions, let me know and I can do other screencasts or just help you guys out with them. But this is just a basic overview of how to work with your web page for your semester project. Thanks a lot.